Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing a special cookie chutney that is from this Uncome2. It's fermented mustard leaf paste. This is the cookie style gi morok mel lese. This is hangam gi manado ferment tawraga ngari gi type ne manam si ko taste khang dire first time try daw daw. No try tawra yengse. And the next one is cucumber and carrot champut. Simple boiled vegetable without any ginger, garlic and chili. It's called champut. So let's start preparing it. This is fermented mustard leaf paste. So let's open it and see. I'll use fresh bhut jolokia, little bit of salt. Smells like fermented fish. Ngari ga manamani. Do ko masak te ko hinda ki ga chap mani. Bit of garlic and crush it. The consistency is not runny, it's thick. So I'll use this knife to take out the paste. It's like this, it's quite black. Moving on. It's quite thick. This is made from mustard leaf. Close it. Smells amazing already. I'll put a little bit of water. It's very thick, that's why I put water. Make it a smooth paste. Done. Yeah. The next I'm preparing champut. Heat up some water, let it come to a boil. You can prepare champut with any vegetables like cabbage or beans or pumpkin or asgot or cucumber or anything, any vegetable. You can just boil it, plain boil it and have it. That is called champut. You can mix and match whatever vegetables you like. That's totally up to you. Whatever you want, you can just boil it. You see, champut the thabi ga gajar put lage carrot yam pame skin in maksu phaba duga how shu how ga thumba peel the skin, and mostly champuts are preferred by older people. Cut the vegetable. Boil this until the cucumber and carrots are cooked. When you touch it, it's soft, that means it's cooked. So it's done now. And if you want, you can put either salt or sugar. So this is done. This is called champut. And today I prepared cucumber with carrot champut. Now let's start enjoying it. This is the cookie special Uncome2 chutney. See, cookie special morok met pedu oire. This is the vegetable I bought from the Nordic shop. Yongjak met pa champut, and this is pork curry, and this is champut mahi, champut water. Wow. Just love the taste. I didn't put anything, but it gives a mild sweetness to the water. Yummy. here. Let's try this special chutney. Oh wow, very nice. It just tastes like ngari, fermented fish. My taste is like ngari kramale ko. Adubo kazik dito ngale manam ga taste up mane dubo. Kazik to ngale hai da. Henda ka mane manam se. I like it. Let's try this also. I'll try it for the first time. After cooking it also is too crunchy. The taste is delicious. The smell is similar with that of Centilla, Peruk. Peruk ka mane ko mai manam se. Dugo sin crunchy oye duga soft oye se. I think koi vegetable malay bago ansha hain ko ba. Cha bago ni kra sha tak daw bago na tuan saga lak pa du rahan lai daga natte atop ni se. This is surprisingly good, this vegetable. Wow, I just love it. Champot is a side dish. We usually have champot with some non-veg curry. Manam di pura peruk ni siya. Peruk ka manchangi manam kachangi ko si manat. Alright. This is why please keep watching and share it so that people around the world knows about our delicious Northeast Indian cuisine.